So next topic is crystal systems. So initially there are 230 crystals. So possible crystals are 230. So 230 crystals are there. Okay. 230 crystals. So out of 230 crystals, these are classified into 32 classes. So total 230 crystals, they are further classified into 32 classes. And these 32 types of crystals, on the basis of axial distances and axial angles present in the unit cell, they are further classified into 7 types. At present, we are following 7 type crystal system. Okay. So 32 crystals, 32 types of crystals, they are classified into 7 types. Okay. 7 types of crystals. And basis for this classification is axial distances present in unit cell. That is A, B, C, and axial angles. Axial angles, which are alpha, beta, and gamma. So basing upon axial distances and axial angles, these 32 classes of the crystals, they are further classified into 7 types. So 7 type crystal system. So this is 7 type crystal system. So 7 different types of crystals: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, rhombohedral or trigonal, monoclinic and triclinic. Okay. So these are the 7 different types of crystals. And these 7 types are classified basing upon axial distances and axial angles. Okay. I will explain one by one. So here first coming to cubic. So in cubic crystal system, axial distances A all are equal. A equal to B, B equal to C. And angles, axial angles, alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. So yesterday I told about axial distances and axial angles present in the unit cell. Okay, in diagrammatic form. Okay. So all of you know about axial distances and axial angles. What are axial distances and axial angles? Okay. Then example for this: NaCl, sodium chloride, zinc sulfide, calcium fluoride, copper metal, etc. Okay. So all these examples, they comes under this type, cubic system type. And next one, tetragonal. So in tetragonal system, axial distances, coming to axial distances, A equal to B, but B is not equal to C. And axial angles, alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, which is equal to 90 degrees. They are at 90 degrees angle. And examples: white tin, tin stone, SnO2, titanium oxide, TiO2, nickel sulfate, etc. All this comes under tetragonal system. Next, orthorhombic system, orthorhombic crystal system. So here axial distances are not equal. So A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. But axial angles, alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, which are equal to 90 degrees. Okay. And examples are rhombic sulfur, potassium nitrate, potassium sulfate and barium sulfate. Okay. So all these comes under orthorhombic. Next, hexagonal type. So in hexagonal, coming to axial distances, A equal to B, B is not equal to C. Coming to axial angles, alpha equal to beta. So that is equal to 90 degrees. But gamma equal to 120 degrees. Okay. So hexagonal system angles differs. Alpha equal to beta, that is equal to 90 degrees, and gamma equal to 120 degrees. And examples are graphite, ice, quartz, zinc oxide. So all these comes under hexagonal type. Next, rhombohedral or trigonal type. Here all the distances are same. A equal to B, B equal to C. But coming to angles, axial angles, alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, but these are not equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Then some examples of this. Calcite, calcium carbonate. Okay? Then potassium permanganate, KMnO4. And sodium nitrate. Okay? So all these comes under rhombohedral or trigonal type. Okay? Next, monoclinic. So here in monoclinic, coming to axial distances, A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. So all the distances, axial distances are not equal. Okay? Then alpha equal to gamma, that is equal to 90 degrees. Alpha equal to gamma, which is equal to 90 degrees, but beta is not equal to 90 degrees. Beta is not equal to 90 degrees. And here examples are monoclinic sulfur, calcium sulfate, CaSO4 2H2O, hydrated, which is also called as gypsum, CaSO4 2H2O, Na2SO4 10H2O, sodium sulfate, hydrated salt, this one also. Okay, so all this comes under monoclinic type. Okay, next, triclinic. So in triclinic system, A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. So all the distances are unequal. So A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. Whereas alpha is not equal to beta, beta is not equal to gamma, which is not equal to 90 degrees. So all are unequal, both axial distances and axial angles. Okay. Then in this type, examples are potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7, and copper sulfate hydrated salt, CuSO4 5H2O. Okay. So all this type of salts, this type of solids, so they shows triclinic type, where all the axial distances and axial angles are not equal. Okay. So this is 7 type system, 7 type crystal system. So crystal systems are in 7 types. So 7 type systems. Further, these 7 types, they exist in 14 different types. Okay. So those 14 different types of crystal lattices are also called as Bravais lattices. Okay. So these are called as Bravais lattices. So these 7 types, they exist in different types of space lattices again. Okay. So totally 14 types of space lattices of these types are available. Those 14 types of space lattices, they are also called as Bravais lattices. So next topic is Bravais lattices.